Welcome to Windswept. Build your dream home on this 0.8-acre lot with beautiful views of Cherokee Lake and the Smokey Mountains in the background. This premier gated community features underground utilities, including sewer and fiber optics, sidewalks throughout most of the subdivision, a private boat ramp for lake access, a marina and a one-of-a-kind manor house. This unique 10,000-square-foot home/clubhouse was built 400 feet above the lake in the 1940s, constructed of wood and stone from the property itself. The home includes 6-bedroom suites, a full galley kitchen, and multiple dining areas. Homeowners have access to the lower-level game room complete with pool table/bar, a swimming pool, tennis and pickle ball courts. As part of the HOA fee, the homeowners have 5 nights per year available to them to use one of the guest suites in the manor house. The subdivision mandates site-built homes with a minimum requirement of 2,500 square feet. Just a short drive to Morristown, where you will find